All right, everybody. Today we gotta open a Pokemon Premium Collection. It's called the Teal Mass Ogerpon EX Premium Collection, and we're gonna open this today. So let's find out what kind of hits we're gonna get within the package. So yeah, it looks like a pretty nice card here. This is the promo card. It does 30 plus damage. And it's got 210 HP. All right, it looks like it comes with 3 promo cards and 6 booster packs, right? So let's open it up. All right. Okay. There it is. Wow, look at the packaging. It's pretty nice. Do you agree, Jamie?
Yeah.
It looks nice, right? Okay. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got here. Okay. So let's take out the pack first. So we got 1 Surging Sparks, 2 Surging Sparks, 2 Stellar Crown, and as well, looks like there's 1 Twilight Masquerade and 1 Paradox Rift. And let's see what else is inside the box. So we got a little, looks like a card holder for the promo card. And as well, we got the stand here and some premium sleeves as well. Look at that. Let's take a look at the sleeves. We got, oh, okay. So these are the sleeves here. It's got a matte finish, pretty matte color. So hopefully we get some hits and we'll put it into the sleeves as well. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got a stand right here. And okay, let's see what it says. It's Ultra Pro right there. And what else? Okay, it says Pokemon Trading Card Game. Pretty nice. As well, here is our case. Look at this case here. This is our premium case. So we'll put our Teal Mass Ogerpon. So I'm not sure how we open this. Oh, it looks like it's a magnet case. Okay. Yeah, we have one of these in our stand here. So yeah, let's put the card in first here. Let's see what we got here. This is the promo card. Okay, we got the pack here. So how are we going to open this? All right, there we go. Put this on the side here. So this is the game code. If anyone wants it, you can take it. We don't use it. So, and first of all, we got the trainer card, Ogre's Mask. Okay, pretty nice. Let's put it in the sleeve here, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's put it in the sleeve. Okay. Here you go. Sleeve this up. And our second promo card. This is our Teal Mass Ogerpon, not the EX version, just a regular rare. Pretty nice. It's got a little sparkle here on the background. And I'll sleeve this up as well. And this is, oh yeah, this is our nice one here. This is our Teal Mass Ogerpon EX. Look at that. Do you see the shine here? You like it, Jamie? Look at,
yeah.
You like the card, right? All right, let's put this into our little special case that we was provided by the premium package, and let's sleeve this up. Actually, we don't need to sleeve it. Just put it like that. And this is our stand right here. How do we put this on? Does this look right to you?
Yeah.
Look at the back. Okay, it got Pokemon there. It's got all the energy card. Right on the back, pretty nice. And we can put this, not sure if this is the right way to put it, or does it should go like this or like this? I think like this, right? Right here?
Yeah.
Does that look right? Pretty nice. Okay, let's put this on the side. All right, so Jamie, we got 6 packs here. Which one you think we should open first?
This one.
You like the Stellar Crown with the Lapras?
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to open it, let's if you want to sit here, so you can open that. Okay. So this is let's see here. All right. So let's open the first pack here. Let's see what we got. I don't know how to open this. Uh-oh. I am not. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm not really good at this. It's been a while since we opened it. We don't need scissors. It's okay. We got it. Okay, so this is the trainer card. Here you go, if anyone wants it. And we'll do the little trick where we put the last card in the front, and we're gonna open it up. Okay, looks like we got a water energy. Are we gonna get a Squirtle? Squirtle full art. What else was this? Gribbon. Okay. Joltik. Toedscool. Ooh, Koraidon. Very nice art. Trainer card. Tonadias. Marowak. And, oh, let's see what we got. We got something. We got something. Oh, we got a Squirtle. No way. We got a Squirtle. Let's put a sleeve in. Oh my goodness. And we got another hollow. A rare hollow. Oh, we got a hit. Look at that. We got Squirtle. We got Squirtle. No way. I called it too because of the water energy. I called it. Look at this Squirtle. Wow. Wow, we got a Squirtle, Jamie.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is a full art Squirtle. This is a rare. Yeah, this one is nice. That's our first hit. Let's put this on the side here. Let's put this up here. Our first hit. Hopefully there's more to come. Okay, so we got 5 more packs. Which one are you looking for?
This one.
Let's go with, this is called the Paradox Rift. So we're gonna open this up. Hopefully we get another hit. Maybe today's our lucky day. Okay, we're almost done. So let's open our second pack. Okay, we'll do the little energy trick again. This is the card, which we won't use. And we'll put the energy in the front. And yeah, let's see. Oh, is it gonna be a Pikachu? Is this Paradox Rift, right? No, there's no Pikachu in this. Let's get another rare, okay? Okay, let's see. Toedscool, Toxel, Spinda, Nibble. Oh, Drent. We got the EX version. Sliverwing, Wiglet. What else do we get? Oh, Latios. What do we get? Oh, okay.
Oh.
Just a regular hollow rare. So
It was still good, right?
it's still good. Okay, we can sleeve it up. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So not too bad. We only opened 2 packs so far. And we got 2 rare and 1 full art rare. Very nice, very nice. All right, 4 more packs to go. So which one are you looking for?
This one.
Let's do this one. Surging Sparks. So this is where the rare Pikachu is from. So hopefully we get the super rare Pikachu. All right, today's our lucky day, Jamie.
Yeah.
Super rare Pikachu. Let's do it.
We got already 3 rares.
Yeah, we got 1 super rare and 2 regular hollow. So hopefully we get a Pikachu here. All right, let's go Pikachu. Let's go. This is the promo card here. We don't need that. We'll put the energy on the front. And let's see what we got.
Ooh, leaf.
Energy. Ooh, Venusaur?
We already have it.
Surging Sparks. All right, let's see what we have in Surging Sparks.
Mankey,
Mankey, Execute. Okay.
We have this.
Swablu.
We have
Rotom.
this. We have this.
Gravity
We
Mountain.
have
The
this.
Trio.
We
Clemens.
don't have this. Psychic.
Quick Wit.
We have this.
Esper. Oh, did we get something? I see something shiny.
Ooh.
Bronzon. Let's go. Do we
Ooh,
get
shiny.
something? We don't know yet. Is it full art? Oh no, just a regular Durant. Just a regular Durant at EX. Not the full art.
But still good.
Still nice. We'll put it's a little hit, so a mini hit. So we'll put this on the side right here. It's a EX, regular EX card. All right, so let's see. We got 3 more packs here. Which one you want to go with?
Again, this one.
You want to go with Stellar Crown. So hopefully we get the rare Bulbasaur. This one has a rare Bulbasaur in it. So hopefully we do get that as well.
We got a Squirtle.
We got a full art Squirtle. That's the biggest hit we got so far today. Okay. This is the promo card. We don't need that. Put the energy in the front. All right. Hopefully we get something good today. Ooh.
We might get a Mewtwo.
Mewtwo?
I think
what
so.
pack did we open? I forgot. Oh, shoot. What pack were we opening? Oh, Stellar Crown? I
Yeah.
don't know if there's a Mewtwo in there. Maybe.
What?
Okay. Let's see here. Mountain. Lacey. Rapidash.
Ooh.
Vikavolt.
Oh.
Rotom. All right.
I see some.
Oh, looks like it's a regular rare. Okay. Junot. Okay.
Still something.
Still something. So, not bad. I mean, we still got like 2 hits. 1 regular EX. And, a couple of hollows, right? Still happy. So, we still have 2 more packs to go. All right. Let's see. Which
this
one?
one's-
Ooh.
Has a good one in
I
it.
kind of want to save this for the last one. This is the Pikachu one. So you want to go for this first and then try this? Let's go for this
It
one
looks like
first.
a slime thing.
Yeah, this one, let's see what we got here. Hopefully we got a nice little rare here.
Nobody can see it.
Okay, here we go. Promo card, we don't need that. Put the energy in the front. And let's see what we got. Ooh, fire! Ooh, what do
I
we
wish
have?
we could get a Flareon.
Flareon. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got
They
here.
have this but different versions.
Vibas. Vulpix. Very nice. Eevee.
What's this?
Girafarig. Let me see.
Oh.
Brute Bonnet. Enhanced Hammer. Kilowattra. Chansey. Oh, do we have something? Oh, I see something. I think I see something. Halucha. Let's see. Let's see. We got hit. We got a double rare. Oh! What is this? Some sort of trainer, but definitely a full art rare. So looks like we got another hit tonight.
Over here.
Another good one. This is double star.
Put it there.
Yeah, this is double star. So this is a good one. So this is number 1, number 2, and number 3 hits tonight. Very good. All right, let's go. Last pack.
I hope we get a Pikachu.
Pikachu, the rare Pikachu. Pikachu. Let's go. Last pack. Here we go. Hopefully we get the Pikachu. This is the pack where we try to chase that one. Okay.
Our last one.
Last pack. All right. Promo code. We don't need that. All right. Let's see what kind of energy we have here. Ooh, psychic energy.
Again?
All right. All right. It's all right. As long as we hit Pikachu, it's all good.
I know.
Let's go. All right. This is
What is that?
Roller.
Okay.
Celio.
Okay.
Cobus.
Oh.
Heloska. Bravery.
Nothing good yet.
Espathra. Clemens Quick Wit. Magnezone. Pikachu? Pikachu? Oh, no Pikachu.
Oh, we got something.
Oh, just a regular rare. Tapu Lele. Lily. All right. Let's leave it up.
We got lots of hits in every pack.
So a few rares. These are very nice artwork, even though, they're not hits. But we got 4 rares here, hollow. Very nice art. And these are our hits tonight. Wow, 3 hits, not too bad. So number 1, we got the Durant EX. And we got the Kieran trainer card. And our Squirtle card, full art. Wow, what a hit. All right, that's all, folks. So as well as the Ogerpon EX. So very nice. So all this came to about $48 Canadian. So not too bad, not too shabby. All right, so that's all, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure to hit the like and the subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.